I'm Dan, co-founder here at PPC Geeks. Well, today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what is persona mapping. Persona mapping is a strategic approach used in digital marketing, particularly in e-commerce and pay-per-click advertising campaigns, to better understand and target specific customer segments. It involves creating detailed, semi-fictional representations of your ideal customers based on market research and data analysis. This process helps e-commerce retailers like you and digital market managers to create more effective and personalised advertising campaigns across the various PPC platforms. Here's my breakdown of persona mapping for e-commerce retailers across the main PPC platforms. So number one is data collection and analysis. Gather data from various sources including your website, customer surveys, social media interactions and your demographic information. Now you want to analyse this data to identify patterns, behaviours and interests and pain points of your existing and potential customers. Number two is your persona creation. So based on this data, create detailed personas representing different customer segments. Now each persona should include demographic information, things like age, gender, location, income levels. You want to detail things like their interests, their values, their lifestyles. You want to look into behaviour patterns, so the online activities, the purchasing habits, and pain points or challenges they face. Give each persona a name, a fictional background story, and a representative image to make them more relatable and memorable. Number three is persona validation and refinement. So conduct additional research, such as customer interviews or focus groups to validate and refine the personas. Ensure that the personas accurately represent your target audience and align with your business objectives. Number four is your PPC campaign optimizations. So use the persona insights to optimize your PPC campaigns across various platforms, ensuring that your messaging, your ad copy, your landing pages and your overall user experience resonate with each specific persona. Tailor your ad targeting to reach the right personas based on their demographics, their interests and behaviors. Continuously monitor and adjust your campaigns based on performance data and persona feedback. Number five, content and user experience customization. Develop personalized content including website copy, your product descriptions and marketing materials that speak directly to each persona's need, the pain points and preferences. Optimize the user experience on your e-commerce website and landing pages to align with the persona's expectations and behaviours. Number six, continuous iteration and improvement. Regularly review and update your personas as your business, target audience and market conditions evolve. Incorporate new data and insights from customer interactions, market research and campaign performance to refine and enhance your persona mapping strategy. Well, in conclusion, by implementing persona mapping, e-commerce retailers and digital market managers in the UK can create more targeted and effective PPC campaigns, leading to higher engagement, conversions and ultimately revenue growth. Additionally, this approach helps to optimise marketing budgets and focusing efforts on the most valuable customer segments, reducing wastage and improving return on investment. Well, remember, if you're spending £10,000 per month or more on your PPC spend, I recommend you booking for a free PPC audit with us. As you'll know, we have a large team of dedicated PPC experts who are ready and waiting to show you how to improve your results. Yes, we've done this for 1,000 brands just like yours. It can help you get better results and fast. We'll make this year your best ever by simply going to Google, typing in PPC Geeks, free Google Ads audit. And remember, if you have any queries or questions, just reach out to us. Well, thanks for your time and we'll hopefully speak to you again soon.